Hey Lakewood, welcome to episode 6 of Getting the Lakewood Tool Box Shelter in Place Edition. Today we are going to take care of a small project that probably affects a lot of Lakewood homes. Replacement of trim work, whether it's exterior grade or interior work. The tools that we are showcasing today will be very useful in either project. So what we have is a DeWalt 16 gauge finished nail gun and a DeWalt cordless air compressor. The cordless compressor is great for small projects because you don't have to drag around an extension cord when you're doing those, and it has enough power to get those small projects done. Also great for crafts like building birdhouses or making some shelving or something like that. But today we're going to do some exterior grade trim on my front porch. So over the winter a piece of trim fell off, some ice got behind it or something, so we're going to work on that today. First thing you want to do is grab a broom, clear the area of debris. I didn't really find any Legos today. I don't know where they are, but the second thing you want to do is measure your section of trim. So I got 34.5 inches. I've already cut this piece out and prepped it. It's good to paint both sides, especially when you're doing exterior grade trim, because then you know that it's sealed well and it's gonna take longer for it to rot away in the elements. Interior grade trim, you can buy a pre-primed product or you can paint it after you're done installing. So make sure this fits. Dry fit it first. Fits pretty good. So then I loaded the nails, turned on the compressor, got it primed, it's full of air. The next thing you want to do, interior or exterior, is always use a good construction adhesive. I call this the Italian method. Anthony, the negotiator Centraccio, taught it years ago, and John Sticky Fingers DePrano backed that up when I was working with him. So take your construction adhesive, apply a thin bead to your work area, as well as the wall that you are working on. Take your piece of trim, fit it into place, put on your safety glasses, double check that you have nails, keep your fingers free from the tip of the nail gun. Nailed it. Call us if you have any questions about any project around your house. We're here to help. And have a good, safe, and healthy weekend. Keep hanging out together and staying positive. See you soon.